would like to say hello to teachers, judges, or even students who are watching this video. It's a very good time and very good honor for us to be the part of making such an amazing project work in English. Under the topic of enhancing knowledge of synonyms through employing infographics in upper secondary students of Kosumwittayasan School. I am Sasikan Kanchanasorn. We are for slide 5 students of Kosumwittayasan Schools.
In our 5 to 8 minute presentation, we'll conclude 5 chapters of processes to achieve our hypothesis briefly. Shall we?
Accordingly, let me be the first presenter for the very first chapter to give you whole concept of the project. Thus, in this chapter, I will start with the background. As everybody knows that English is the well-known language for nowadays world, we can use English in many ways for living. For example, traveling, working, and studying. Now, we have to focus on the crucial problem of speaking English for Thai students. English is a language that we can't deny that knowing how to communicate naturally is the key. However, Thai students have lots of mistakes on that point. As we are Thai students, studying about synonyms can help us get through that problem. Because when you speak in the same area of topic, you have to repeatedly use through the same word. If you use the same word again and again, your language is going to be boring. Synonym is probably our hero. Synonyms are considered as vocabulary. So how can we inspire Thai students to learn vocabulary in a satisfying way? We thought of a media that is called infographic. Infographic is the media created by using color and pattern to make your information be more attractive to people. Our hypotheses of this project are: 1. The upper secondary students of Kosumwittayasan School will have better understanding of synonyms via infographics. 2. The upper secondary students of Kosumwittayasan School will have higher post-test score than pre-test score, equals to or more than 7% in total.
First, after we finish thinking about problem and background of doing this project, we need to start with doing some research on the synonyms that is commonly used in daily life, such as in conversations, writing, passages, and speaking. We selected the vocabulary categories and then start designing the pre-test and post-test. Next, create infographic containing those vocabulary. Then, send a pre-test online to selected students. Let them do the test, 10 items, in 15 minutes. After that, upload our infographics online to let them study and remember the vocabulary. Next, let the student do the post-test 10 items in 15 minutes. Finally, after having pre-test score and post-test score, summarize the information using Excel.
And it's come for analyzing time. Let's take a look at the table shown on the screen. In this table, we separated the data into 3 boxes: the pre-test score, the post-test score, and the comparison of the pre-test and the post-test. As you can see, the plus stands for higher score, while 0 means no improvement and minus means the reduction of the score in the post-test. As a result, the first table shows that at the end, the mean of the pre-test is 6.33, while the post-test had the mean score at 8.0. 17. It showed that students have proving test score at 1.84. Now let's move to the chart. This bar chart shows you the overall picture of students and their score. From 65 upper secondary students, there are 2 students with reducing score. Moreover, there are 16 students that have stable score. Also, there are 47 students have increasing score. According to the hypothesis, we would like the result to be that 70 of the students have higher score in the post-test. Accordingly, 47 students with higher post-test score considered to be 72.31% of the sample which matches with the hypothesis.
Improving English, increasing chance of having a better life. Being good at synonyms, taking further steps of grabbing those opportunities.
Thank you very much for your kind attention.